So Ethereum ETF basically means that huge institutions, financial corporations are able to invest millions, hundreds of millions, even billions of dollars into Ethereum ETF, similar to Bitcoin ETF. And since the Bitcoin ETF came out, there has been $15 billion worth of investments pouring in into Bitcoin ETFs, which made the Bitcoin price go up by 50%. Before the ETF, Bitcoin was at $30,000 to $40,000. Now Bitcoin stands around $60,000 to $70,000, which means around 50% increase. So what can we expect with the Ethereum price right now when the ETF has launched is this. Similar to Bitcoin ETF, when it came out, in the first 2 weeks, Bitcoin dumped by at least 10 to 15%, which means that Ethereum ETF will do the same because investors will be selling their grayscale Ethereum ETF holdings and going into a BlackRock ETFs and all these with smaller fees. But looking at the fact that many people are expecting the Ethereum dump after the ETF releases means that the dump most likely will not be 15%. I think it will be at least around 8 to 10%, not more than that. And similar to Bitcoin ETF, when it came out, it dumped at first, but after the 60 days after the ETF launched, Bitcoin went to 73,000, which is the new all-time high. That's why my prediction is that Ethereum ETF will go to its new all-time high, the same around 30 to 60 days after the ETF launches. And looking at the fact that Bitcoin pumped 50% higher when it went from 40,000 to 60,000, this means that Ethereum will do the same most likely, and it will probably go from 3,500 right now to 5,000 plus, and we will reach a new all-time high for Ethereum as well. Most likely after the summer is over, because more people will be coming, retail will be coming, and yeah, institutions will be starting to pour in more and more money, billions of dollars. And looking at the fact that the Ethereum market cap is 3 times lower than Bitcoin's market cap, that's why, in my opinion, we will see much bigger growth than it was for Bitcoin. So it will be not 50%, it will be 70%, 80%, maybe even 2x in long term. And as I'm always saying this, after the summer is over, we will start experiencing significant growth in crypto because people will return from vacations. And this is the main reason I think Ethereum will surpass the $10,000 mark in 2025. And what will make this upcoming crypto bull run even better is that the president, Larry Fink, one of the richest person in the world, Elon Musk, will be talking about crypto. Right now you can see Elon Musk also put these laser eyes as his profile picture, and many people already know that these are the Bitcoin laser eyes. That's why this upcoming crypto bull run will be the biggest that you have ever seen, and that's why I'm telling you NFTs will come back. Although you think that NFTs are dead and they are not coming back, this bull run will basically be 10 times, 100 times bigger than it was in 2021. That's why don't fade this crypto space, don't fade NFTs, don't fade airdrops. Do your research. The airdrops will get 10x bigger, NFTs will come back, everyone will be in euphoria, and people will again think that this is forever, that prices will not go down because institutions are here. But as I'm always saying, if the price can go up by 100, 200, 300, or even 10,000% like it is in the crypto, this means that we will see a significant dumps afterwards. That's why you always have to be careful in this space. Don't think that this growth will be forever, but enjoy the euphoria. You can learn so much, meet so many new people and friends. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, airdrop and NFT alpha, press that subscribe, press that like button, and you can follow me on my Patreon where I post alpha daily. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.